Students, let's see NMR spectroscopy. Okay, so NMR spectroscopy is like very simple. NMR spectroscopy plays an important role to elucidate the structure of polymer or to predict the structure of polymer. Mainly proton and carbon NMR spectroscopy techniques are utilized for this purpose. Through other nuclei such as fluorine, silicon, phosphorus containing polymer, etc., are also employed nowadays. Indeed, hydrogen and carbon NMR spectroscopies plays important role to elucidate the chemical structure, physical state, isomerism, stereochemistry, impurities, etc. Though elucidation is not so simple like fine chemicals. The kinetics of polymerization reaction, composition of copolymer, number of average molecular weight, cross-linking reaction, degradation nature, etc. of polymers can also be studied with the help of NMR spectroscopy. Many of such information can also be determined by other characterization techniques like FTIR, dye partition techniques, and group analysis, chromatography, etc. But NMR techniques is more reliable and quantitative apart from being simple, convenient, and rapid. In proton NMR spectrum, the presence of protons like NH2, aromatic moiety, CH3 at chemical spin, these are all the chemical spin values, and they are measured in ppm. So the chemical spin of NH is this much, 10.68, then aromatic moiety is 9.05, and then CH3 is 8.93, like that. Can be signed. So as you go ahead, you can see this proton NMR and the chemical spins are given here. Chemical shifts or chemical spin. Characterization of polymer by NMR. NMR spectroscopy is used in the analysis of monomers, copolymer sequences, reaction products, the microstructure, 3 types of isomerism, including toxicity, the composition of a copolymer, branching in polyethylene, relaxation mechanisms. NMR can provide information about polymers in solution, the microstructure of polymer chains, resonance assignment, regioisomerism, stereochemical configuration, geometric isomerism, isomerism in diene polymers, asymmetric centers in the main chain, branching and cross-linking, end groups, configurational statistics, copolymerization sequences, chain conformation in solution, intermolecular association. So you can see so many things can happen by NMR. So this is the characterization of polymer. Okay, and the copolymer analysis. The copolymer is methyl methacrylate, coaxial methacrylate copolymers, and this is the proton NMR spectrum of the copolymer of methyl methacrylate and hexyl methacrylate. So depending on these peaks of the chemical spins shifts, you can determine the sequences of the copolymer. Solid state NMR spectroscopy. This is just for your knowledge, don't need to understand it. So you got the brief idea of what is NMR spectrum.